Welcome to Group 5's Achieving Strategic Agility group project video on 3M. "3M showed its agility from an early age. More than a century ago, the 5 founders had a simple goal: to harvest a mineral known as corundum from a local mine. The mine went bust, but they were able to quickly turn their focus to sandpaper products. This ability to shift focus according to not just internal resources but also external market conditions is part of what has made it into one of the most successful companies in the world. Today, 3M employs 88,000 people, operates in 70 countries, and it has sales of $30 billion spread across 200 countries and 60,000 acts. 3M has evolved significantly since its early days. For many decades, it's focused primarily on sandpaper and adhesives, but then turned to healthcare, pharmaceuticals, and energy, electronic goods, and consumer products. Today they are organized into 5 business segments: consumer, electronics and energy, healthcare, industrial, and safety and graphics. The reasons for 3M's ability to remain agile over 100 plus years are numerous. They have been successful in maintaining strategic agility by creating a culture of bottoms-up leadership. With over 100 years of history, clearly a single brilliant CEO could not be the root of 3M's success. 3M itself is a visionary company led by people throughout the organization. They have achieved portfolio agility by promoting a culture of continuous improvement, which includes actively managing and enhancing their portfolio by realigning business segments to increase customer relevance, build scale, and drive efficiencies. Finally, the introduction of an ERP system has allowed them to be operationally agile, bringing efficiency to their supply chain and allowing them to be more responsive to customers. Other programs or initiatives include the 15% rule, a long-standing tradition that encourages technical people to spend up to 15% of their time on projects of their own choosing and initiative. This stimulates unplanned experimentation and variation that has turned it into successful, albeit unexpected innovation. Post-it notes are a great example. Genesis grants are internal venture capital funds that distribute parcels of up to $50,000 for researchers to develop prototypes and to run market tests. They also have technology sharing awards and a dual career path, which allows top professionals and technical people to advance without having to switch to a managerial track. Finally, 3M also encourages risk-taking and persistence because in their mind, innovation does not occur on a set timeline. These programs paying dividends are as exhibited as follows. 3M initially developed technology for dental application with crown moldings, recognizing that such technology could be applied to solve similar challenges in automotive body shops. 3M shared this technology across divisions, thus creating a highly profitable product line for 3M's automotive business. Filtech TM Supreme, another 3M dental product, was a huge success for 3M because it utilized nanotechnology at a time when its success was largely unproven. The risk paid off, and 3M is now a leading dental composite provider around the world. The key takeaway from 3M's story is that there is a risk of being too agile. 3M's culture of innovation and free rein resulted in poor performance in the 1990s, with too many projects in the pipeline and thus 3M's shareholder return lagging behind the market. By 2000, a new CEO took the step to launch a program called 3M Acceleration, a disciplined approach that adhered to Six Sigma discipline of fact-based analysis. Through the program, 3M collected data from more than 70 separate laboratories to create a centralized database of all the company's initiatives, including their costs, projected sales, risks, and time to market. Using that information, a team of technical directors made an initial rank ordering of the project, followed by a second round of ranking by senior leaders from manufacturing, marketing, and product development. This initial pruning reduced the number of projects to approximately 75. By adding objective rigor to the process of scaling, 3M Acceleration made it culturally acceptable to say no, making decisions that were based on facts in a more transparent process. Ultimately, this illustrates that strategy is about making choices, and without at least some structure, the idea of being, quote, agile can be taken too far.